Hola amigos, my name is Mr. Briggs and here I am bringing you another Spanish lesson. Today's lesson is ta-ta-ta-tan, meeting people in Spanish. We learn how to break the ice, how to start a conversation. My name is Mr. Briggs. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I invite you to subscribe. I upload videos weekly, free Spanish lessons so that you can start speaking one of the most spoken languages around the world. Okay, comencemos. Are you ready? Comencemos means let's begin. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. Hola. Hello. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Me llamo Juan. My name is John. Soy de Cuba. I'm from Cuba. Hablo español. I speak Spanish. Let's see the next one. Hola. Hello. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Me llamo Teresa. My name is Teresa. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Soy de Colombia. I'm from Colombia. ¿Qué idioma hablas? What language do you speak? ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Excelente. Hola, soy Pedro. Hello, I'm Peter. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Soy de Argentina. I'm from Argentina. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿Hablas español? Do you speak Spanish? ¿A qué te dedicas? What do you do for a living? Soy dentista. I'm a dentist. ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Vivo cerca. I live nearby. Exercises. Ejercicios. Can you guess what greeting this one is? What is it? Come on, you can do it. It's the most common greeting in Spanish. Hola, which means hello. What about the next one? What do you usually say after you say hello? ¿Cómo estás? Excelente, very good. That means, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? When you want to find out more about someone, what do you usually ask when you meet somebody for the first time? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? This one seems a little bit longer, but come on, you can do it. I have faith in you. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Muy bien. Pronunciation. Pronunciación. Let's practice our pronunciation in Spanish, because you'll be using these words a lot. Hola. Hola. Remember, it's not hola or hola, it is hola. ¿Cómo estás? Which means how are you? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Make sure you don't say ¿Cómo estás? It is ¿Cómo estás? Next one. Hablo español un poco, which means a little. I speak Spanish a little. Hablo español un poco también. That means also. I speak Spanish a little also. Nationality, nacionalidad. Let's see how we can talk about our nationality or someone else's. Hola, soy Claudia y soy de Estados Unidos. That means, hello, I'm Claudia from the United States. Hola, soy Roberto y soy de Gran Bretaña. Hello, I'm Robert and I'm from Great Britain. Hola, soy Patricia y soy de Canadá. Hello, I'm Patricia and I'm from Canada. Hola, soy John y soy de Nueva Zelanda. Hello, I'm John and I'm from New Zealand. Hola, soy Rosa y soy de Sudáfrica. Hello, I'm Rosa and I'm from South Africa. Now let's see profession, profesión. We'll see how we can also talk and initiate conversations talking about profession. Hola, soy Claudia y soy doctora. Hello, I'm Claudia and I'm a doctor. Hola, soy Roberto y soy ingeniero. Hello, I'm Robert and I'm engineer. Let's keep moving. Hola, soy Patricia y soy maestra. Hello, I'm Patricia and I'm a teacher. Hola, soy John y soy abogado. Hello, I'm John and I'm a lawyer. Hola, soy Rosa y soy secretaria. Hello, I'm Rose and I'm a secretary. Exercises, ejercicios. Muy bien, you're doing very good. Now, remember, keep in mind soy, which means am, and y, which means and. Keep these words in mind in order to complete the next exercises. Hola, something, your name, and something, estudiante. Can you complete it? Give it a go. You can do it. Something, soy. The correct answer is hola, soy John and I'm a chef. And I'm a chef, just as an example. Next one. Can you do this one? Hola, soy Peter y soy policía. Well done. Keep up the good work. What about the next example? Can you complete this one? Hola, soy Mark y soy programador. Perfecto. Exercises, ejercicios. Let's do a few more exercises. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Now let's see if you can do it. Your turn. Muy bien. Repeat it. Repeat again. Perfecto. Next one. So the first one was hola, and the second was ¿cómo estás? That means hello, how are you? Next one. Me llamo Marcela y soy de Chile. Mucho gusto. Now let's see if you can do it. Come on, you can do it. First one was Me llamo Marcela, and the second one was Y soy de Chile, and finally the third one, mucho gusto. Continuemos. Vocabulary, vocabulario. Now the following vocabulary is very important. You'll do very well by reviewing all of these vocabulary. I put everything pretty much in a conversational sequence, So if you go through all these sentences, you will be able to start meeting Spanish people. Now, these words and phrases are very important because you will continually use them in the Spanish language. You will always be meeting new people. So it's an important opportunity for you to learn how to pronounce all these phrases. So it's an excellent opportunity for you to learn properly and to be able to pronounce these phrases in a perfect Spanish. Muy bien, my amigos. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. I upload videos regularly, so if you don't want to miss out, please subscribe, because that will let you know the next time I upload a video. If you also look at the YouTube page, you'll see a little bell. If you just click on it, that will send you an alert every time I upload a new lesson for you to be able to watch it. Now, the reason why I ask you for subscription is because it really helps me a lot, in the sense that it helps me to continue producing more videos. I have to set aside time, and it takes time and effort to produce these videos, and your subscription is extremely valuable to me. It helps me to continue preparing more lessons for you. So if you can share these videos well with other friends, other people that are learning the language, that would be fantastic. Now, the year is almost over. We come into the end of 2018, and soon we'll begin 2019. Why don't you make it a new goal for the next year to learn to speak Spanish? You're already on your way to learning this language, and if you keep going, eventually you will make it. Okay, my dear friends, it's been a real pleasure. I'll see you next time. Have a lovely week, and we'll see you soon. Hasta la vista.